Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little and we keep track of time.
Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to be showing you my formal living room, and if you remember from my family room tour, I have pretty much swapped where the family room was with the formal living room and vice versa. And I will be showing you in the next video what I did with the family room area. Now I'm going to allow this tour to play to music, but everything you see in the video, where it came from and how much it cost, will be listed in the description box. And guys, if you like home decor, decorating, or if you're just trying to turn your house into a home, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you don't miss out. And at the very end of this video, I'm going to be telling you how I can help you decorate your room virtually. I have an online e-design website where I can design your room for you. So I'll put the information about the website at the end of the video and in the description box. So guys, enjoy the tour. Say hello in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions and I will get back with you. Enjoy the tour and I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah, yeah. Love you better, oh, love you better, love you better. Lately I've been feeling some type of way. I'm losing my mind, my mind. I know saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right. Things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will.
I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, 'cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, 'cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being
Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Welcome to Design Fun. Today, I'm going to tell you about my e-designs that I'm now offering on my website. If you are struggling to decorate a room or finish decorating a room, or if you're just trying to turn your house into a home, I'd love to help you design and decorate your space. The e-designs are super affordable and very easy. You will get a full 3D design of your room, as well as home decor suggestions, furniture suggestions, and I can also do color schemes if you don't already have one. Now, to get an e-design, it's an easy 3-step process. First, you will fill out the form on the website. Step 2, you will upload your pictures of your space. And step 3 is just wait to receive your 3D e-design within 7 business days. So head over to the website so you can get started with your first e-design today.